You walk out, the sun's shining, birds are chirping, and your pool looks like a swamp monster's gotten into a fight with a bag of Cheetos. Sound familiar? Because for too long, my friends, that's been my Tuesday, but not anymore. What if I told you there's a new sheriff in town and this one doesn't even need you to lift a finger? Today we're deep diving, literally, into the Hydro 3S Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. And let me tell you, this isn't your grandpappy's pool skimmer. We're talking about a beast designed for in-ground pools, but stick around if you've got an above-ground situation because there's a lot here for you too. This bad boy boasts 4 different cleaning modes, so whether you've got a leafy party or just some general grime going on, it's got a setting for it. And get this, it's got app control. That's right, you can be on the couch, cold beverage in hand, telling your robot to go clean that mystery gunk. But wait, there's more. There is more. How about a whopping 300 minutes of eco mode cleaning? That's 5 hours of hands-free clean. Powering all this aquatic awesomeness is dual centrifugal pumps, ensuring maximum suction and efficiency. And when it's time to empty the guts, and you're gonna see this, you've got a generous 4.1 liter large basket that'll hold a surprising amount of pool debris. Trust me, I've seen some things. Look, you've been watching me use this. I've used it for a solid 2 weeks, so I could talk to you about this. And if you're ready to possibly reclaim your weekends and stop wrestling with those hoses and nets, stick around and let's hear what I have to say right after I used it and see if it lived up to all this hype or maybe it failed. Let's go talk to me and see what I thought about it. I've just been using it over and over again. I haven't checked inside the bin, so that's always a little bit of a mystery to see what we find. This thing is so cool looking. Like, to me, it always looks like some sort of cool, like, alien ship or something like that. It definitely has like a unique look to it. All right, a couple key things I want you to know. Technology-wise, it has worked great. Charging was good. I've used it in all 3 of the modes, the auto mode, the walls, and the floor. Everything worked great. But I guess it only worked great if we take this out and find some dirt and yucky stuff in there. And look at that. We definitely have dirt and a lot of yucky stuff in there. Let's open the top, see what we see. Whew. Oh, we even got some big old leaves in there. Check this out. How about that? That is a good supply of stuff. Remember, we're inside a cage here, so we're picking up leaves and stuff from the plants planted around the pool, and all that dirt and debris was sitting on the bottom of my pool. What do you say I show you real quick how to clean this out? All right, so cleaning these is super simple. I just wanted to show you real quick. I have 2 tips for you. Number 1, you don't want to spray into the filter, right? You want to spray back the way it went in so that it frees it up, doesn't jam it further into the filter. And then a nice feature that this has is this, look. Oh, ew, look at that mess in there. But see how you can see clean through it? It makes it nice and easy just to spray it right through. That's all there is to it. What do you say we go reinstall, wrap this thing up? Oh, it's a hot one out here today. It's so nice that I don't have to scrub this pool. This thing has been outstanding on every level. The technology is good. All the different modes work well. You saw it collected a lot of debris. I mean, it really did a quality job of cleaning the pool. My favorite feature about it is that it is so light and so easy to transport, move around, put in, take out, all that kind of stuff. I think that's a big plus. 2 complaints, both are very mild. First one is the way the power connects. It makes sense that the plug is kind of clocked, so it can only connect in one direction, but it's in some weird direction. It doesn't make any sense, so I always end up having to like bend over and look at it to make sure to plug it in right. Really, if I'm down to that as a complaint, you know it's been pretty good overall. And then my other thing, which I'm going to bring to your attention, I don't think I would call it a complaint at this price point, is it definitely gets confused by stairs. Like, it frequently will come to the top. You may have noticed in our pool we have seating area all around the pool built into it along with stairs. It'll kind of come up to that seating area and think it's the edge of the pool and kind of scrub a little and go back down, but not crest it and clean the seating area and then go up. Again, at this price point, this technology is really good, but that's asking a lot of it. The last thing that I want to point out is when it did climb the walls, which was most of the times there wasn't stairs or a seat there, when it did climb the wall, it went all the way up to the waterline and really did a big scrub, like laterally across the waterline, which was very impressive. I'm sure you've seen that in the video. So in the end, if you're looking for a really high quality pool bot at a decent price point, I would definitely recommend this one. The link is here on the screen or down in the description. Either one works great, doesn't cost anything extra to use those. If I've added value to you, if you've gotten some information from this video, if you would give it a thumbs up so that we get a little love from the algorithm. Subscribe if you want to see more interesting content like this, and if you have any questions, obviously put it in the comments. Hey, why don't we go see that unboxing so you can see what it comes with when you take it out of the box for the first time. All right, welcome to the past. You've seen this thing run, you've heard my review, now you're kind of curious how it arrives, and I have taken it out of the box here but done nothing else to it. I haven't even looked at it yet. So it comes with certain things, a rescue hook, your instruction manual, and I have not seen this before. I've seen power supplies, but I've never seen a little blower to dry the power supply before you plug it in again. Seems like a good idea to me. Here's the unit itself. So one thing I want to tell you, this thing is so light for its size. This Hydro 3S, definitely if you're still here, means it worked. They've done something right, because this is so light for something its size and sophistication. And one of the things I always like about these POOLMATE bots, check this one out. Look at the size of this box, it's huge. And in addition to being able to open the top and clean it, you can also open the bottom, spray it straight through. Actually, you've probably seen that before. It's probably not news to you. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful. Use those links if you want to get one of these, and we'll see you in the next video.